Okay, beautiful Saturday afternoon in the mid to high 80s. The girls wanted to decorate the pool, so they did their thing. Went with Mama this week. Got a few signs to hang around the pool. No bad days. Little birdhouse camper.
Who did that?
Little net with shells. Welcome.
Hey, who's doing that?
Whatever that says. I'm too far away. Sabrina, what's that sign say?
What?
No bad days.
Days next to it.
And what's the next one? I passed it up. Made for sunny days. There it is. And then a hello sunshine. And a pineapple. A little water fountain. And they've got a few more downstairs that they're painting. And they'll have them out before long.
What?
Say hello, sunshine.
Hi, sunshine! Hi, sunshine!
Yep, they're gonna be getting out of the pool shortly. Sabrina.